gonna need to cut that tree down.
The colors in the sky look cool. Probably because of the smoke. Okay. Yay!
A little bit higher.
This makes up for me missing 4th of July fireworks. Whee!
Oh, that's a big one. And they didn't even go very high.
Yeah.
Shadow's probably having a heart attack.
That's cool.
Ooh, that was neat.
Smells like it's gonna rain.
I think it's supposed to. Like, I think they said like scattered showers.
Oh. It's a good thing they didn't cancel the fireworks then. Yeah.
Sometimes I feel like the ones that make the loudest bang are the smallest fireworks.
Yeah.
Oh, that one was cool.
Sounds like a bass drum.
that was neat.
Yeah.
Like had a design to it. Now those little things right there, that was like what the fireworks were like at Gatlinburg. They were terrible. It was like just little streams. Like there was no big explode, none of the noise,
No boom.
no boom,
None of that.
and no big full. They were just like little streamy. That's what they look like without it exploding like that. Like
Yeah.
it was very disappointing. But Dollywood had good ones.
Yeah.
They had a drone show. That was cool.
Yeah, I saw that. The night flight expedition on the drones. Hope we get to ride that. Seems cool.
Yeah, we should keep an eye out because it's supposed to open in August.
Yeah.
To see if it actually opens.
But it was also supposed to open in mid-spring.
I know. So hopefully, since they already pushed it back once, that means it'll actually open.
Yeah. Yeah. I think this is the finale.
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No. I think when they have it, they'll actually hopefully get up in the air.
Hopefully. Yeah. Are they meant for us to see them, or are they just meant for them?
No, I think it's just we can't see because of the trees.
Yeah. Well, it wasn't the finale.
wonder who invented fireworks.
Yeah. Probably be so
They're
hard.
cool.
Yeah, they are very cool. I wonder how you would invent fireworks.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh. Scattered.
Yeah. One just went all the way over somewhere.
So now we're gonna start.
Hopefully, because that's the best part.
Gotta get up in the air.
Yeah.
Come on.
Guessing this time it wasn't the best part.
No. Come on, we ain't even gonna see one. I don't even see like anything behind the trees. I'm like, what's happening?
Yeah.
That's disappointing.
Yeah. Well, I don't think they're just behind the smoke. I hope not. Oh,
There's
there's some.
go. Maybe.
Can you hear the...
We got a little bit. Oh,
Oh,
oh no! Here we go.
this is awesome. Couple big ones. Oh, that's cool. Oh.
Now I'm confused. Here they go.
Oh, yay. Jeez. Now they're
I feel like
stopped.
they're doing something weird.
Yeah. Maybe they're just not able to light them at the right time.
Yeah. Is that it? Hear people yelling.
Yeah.
Kind of hard to see because of the. That's probably it.